Assalamualaikum. I am Tashrifa KP, a second year B.Ed student of IMU Malappuram Center, and this is my presentation about the topic spreadsheet software, its features and uses in education. What is spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a computer program that can capture, display and manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. Spreadsheets are one of the most popular tools available with personal computers. A spreadsheet is generally designed to hold numerical data and short text strings. In a spreadsheet program, spaces that hold items of data are called spreadsheet cells. One of the examples for spreadsheet software is Microsoft Excel. And now I am moving to discuss about the features of my spreadsheet software. As we know, spreadsheet software such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets and others offers a range of features that make data organization and analysis efficient. I am discussing here some of the key features. The first one is rows and columns. Spreadsheets are organized in a grid system of rows and columns, allowing for easy data entry and organization. And the second one is formulas and functions. Users can create custom formulas or use present functions to analyze data, perform calculations and automate processes. Then the third feature is data filtering and visualization. Spreadsheets enable data filtering to focus on specific information and visualization tools like charts and graphs for easy data interpretation. And the next one is AutoSum. The spreadsheets helps in adding the contents of adjacent cells easily than we are doing ourselves. Then the next feature is autofill. Automatically extends the cell formatting when a new data is added to the existing spreadsheet or useful for, and this is useful for repetitive or sequential data entry. And the last feature is formatting. This will enable customization of cell formatting for better data representation, including bolding, italicizing, alignment, font changes, etc. Now I am moving to the second part of my presentation, that is the uses of spreadsheet in education. The spreadsheet software like Excel is highly beneficial in education due to its versatility and ease of use. Here are some key uses of spreadsheet software in education. And the first one is flexibility across curriculum. The spreadsheets are classified as tools that offer teachers flexibility for a wide range of activities across different subjects, aiding in problem solving involving numbers and formulas. Then the second one is enhancing learning. Spreadsheets can increase the breadth and depth of topics covered in a class by numerically solving complex systems, finding trends in data and exploring sophisticated mathematical models. Next point is assessment and grading. Spreadsheets can simplify assessment process by providing a platform for judging learning outcomes and assigning grades effectively. Then the next point is students' progress tracking. Excels can be used to create spreadsheets with students' assessment data, allowing teachers to analyze and monitor individual student progress levels easily. Then the next point is improving critical thinking. The use of spreadsheets can enhance critical thinking skills and quantitative literacy among students by engaging them with data, equations and graphs. Then the last point is classroom task management. Excels can be utilized to copy over students' tasks into worksheets for easier viewing and marking, especially tasks involving statistics or complex information. So, as we discussed, the spreadsheet software plays a crucial role in modern education by offering a practical tool for teaching various subjects, enhancing critical thinking skills, simplifying assessment processes and aiding in student progress tracking. Its adaptability across different disciplines makes it valuable asset in educational setting. And it is the end of my presentation. These are my references, and thank you for watching my video.